This 2020 Airstream Classic AIRSTREAM 3FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, awning, DVD player, smoke detector, refrigerator, external shower, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, TV, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Airstream Classic AIRSTREAM 3FB is 8,261 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.